Hi, this is Carrie from chefandsteward.com. This week we're going to be doing a really fun recipe for peas, ham, and potato soup. It's very quick and very easy, very cost effective, and it's the perfect thing for any time of the week. I'm using a multi-cooker. You could use an Instapot. This is a Ninja 8-quart Deluxe. I will do a review on this. It has many functions, 9-in-1. And today we're going to be concentrating on both the pressure and the saute functions. So the main ingredient is pigeon peas. Pigeon peas, I used a whole 900 and something bag from Goya, and I added water right up to that, almost to the 4 level in there. So we had that much water, and I'm using 3 cubes of chicken stock. You could use vegetable stock to make it vegan completely, and you could also use vegan spam. So I'm now setting this for 35 minutes on high for the pressure function. You could actually pressure it for a full 40 to 45 minutes because these peas tend to be very tough and take a long time to cook, and you'll see a trick I do at the end of it as to how I get the soup to thicken, because we Jamaicans tend to like our soup a little bit thicker. So this now is telling me that my lid is wrong. I didn't have the right lid on. That lid that comes with that stays on the pot is actually for air crisping. This is the one that I'm now attaching that is for pressure cooking. So now it's already set and it is preheating. This stays attached to it while it's cooking, so you have to make certain that you have enough counter height to be able to do that. No, it's already done, so this is really fast. This is added some potato. Now I'm adding some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and you can add ham, you could add spam, you can add vegan spam, you could add vegan ham, so whatever is to your liking. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic because I love garlic, and lots of scallions. And I'm also going to be using lots of fresh thyme. And for my salt, I'm going to add a pink Himalayan salt to taste. And another ingredient that I use in almost everything is my Jamaican allspice that is found on my this is from my father's farm in Jamaica. The best allspice is from Jamaica, and allspice is native to Jamaica. And this is a pepper. This is an ahi pepper, or dulce pepper. You could add more heat with Scotch bonnet. This is high noon Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll give you the links for all of these things in the description box as well. And there's a special even on this multi-cooker, so you should grab it pretty soon because it's a really great value. And I've been cooking so much in it. I've added this now for another 10 minutes in the pressure section. So with a potato, I peel the potato whole, and it's done. So now here, this is how I thicken, and I'm showing you how I do it. I mash out some of the beans, and then it thickens the soup. You could also do that and then add it back. So maybe take about a cup or half a cup of the peas, and then mash the peas with some of the soup, and then you put it back in to thicken on a high saute. And that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Until next time, give me a comment below. Before you go, click to watch another video, because who wouldn't want more of this niceness? Much love.